Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can make a colorful text and the overlapping with each other. First, create a one document, the custom document with let's start with the transparent background. I have a transparent background. First I will fill this background with a white color. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The white color hash code is 6F, or if you go to red RGB value, it's 255, 255, 255. Okay, fill this color with white. I have a white background now. Let's take a one text and write down here colorful. Because the background is white, the text color is white, it is impossible to see, so change the color into black and write down here the text colorful. Okay, and press it, tick button. Okay, now first resize this. Control T, shortcut key is the Control T to resize. By holding the Alt button, resize the text, which will equally resize the width and height together, and press it. Done. Now the text has been resized. Now go to the text layer and change your layer to convert to shape, and you can see that a small icon appear here. You can see that this text layer has been converted it into the shape. Now go to the path tool, select the path tool. By selecting the path tool, you can already start seeing that the path tool had been selected, and you can see the dotted lines there. So select the first letter and go to layer, new, shape layer, backcut, or Ctrl Shift J for shortcut, and repeat the process for O, L, O, U, R, F, U. You don't have to create the different layer for the letter L, because the last layer, the remaining letter for the last layer is already L. It's here, so we already have the last letter, which is letter L. Visible it again. Now the next step is better to put all this layer in a group, so it's easy to work on it. So click on the top layer, and by holding the shift button, click on the last layer, and you can see the icon here. Press this icon and new group from layer. Leave it the group name is 1, or you can say whatever you like. All the layers are inside the group 1 now, and select all the layers again and convert it all the layers mode into the multiply. Okay, now let's choose the color for each letter. Double click on inside the box and choose the color. Let's put the O and O color same. So yeah, this is the letter O. Click on it. By using the eyedropper tool, click the purple color. O07. Let's put L and L same. This one, choose this color. Okay, now we have the each letter with different color. By using the move tool, bring the letter closer to each other, and by holding the shift key move the letter, and you can see that the letters are overlapping each other, and you can see the small visible of the C letter. It's because we have used the mode into the multiply. Okay. Click on another letter, move the, yeah, click this, move. Click on the group and change the gradient overlay. Here leave it the gradient overlay for overlay, and gradient, go basic and choose the basic one. When you choose this one, when you choose this one, it says that one side is black and other side is white. So when you reverse it, you can see that the topper part is lighter and the bottom part is quite darker. If you reverse it, the top part is darker, white bottom part is lighter. So leave it like this. Press it. Okay. And we did free transform. Now bring it to the middle, and by holding the Alt key resize it. Press OK button. That's it. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to share, subscribe and like it.